Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time! Yeah.
Hello!
Whoa.
To Ratchet and Clank with the little thin, spindly robots.
Who don't really do much
They ain't no
damage.
clanks.
No.
So you want to go that way, yeah.
Yeah.
The slope.
But I also want to get some ammo.
You can spend. Well, I thought you were trying to save up. Do you need to spend money on ammo?
Yeah.
But you're trying to save up for the other thing. You won't be able to afford it.
Well, I've only spent 100 on ammo.
You can collect ammo though. There's bolts in there. Ooh. This person's shed.
Oh my god, you stole my bolts!
You son of a bitch, get out of my shed and leave my bolts alone.
You thieving bass! Oh shit.
Ah, see, that person had defended their shed. That was like an old veteran. People are going to come into my shed, they're going to try and take all my bolts. I'm going to leave a load of explosives in there.
I'm gonna take one of their lives. Only one, I'm not.
Sure, it's only bolts, but I'll kill a man for that.
Oh shit, I need a pair of grinders.
Oh, so you can't do this way either.
Okay, I think we might need to visit the other planet.
Okay then. At least we stole from all these sheds.
Yeah. Ha ha ha.
We gotta go back to the space station. Where did you get the grind boots?
I think you get them from
Oh,
beyond there, but obviously without the bolts.
so we need to get more bolts to get the gun.
Yeah.
To do that, to acquire the grind boots and come back that way.
Yeah.
Yes, go to the space station.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for consulting.
Yeah, this is what I'm here for. Team discussion.
Nebula G something for...
So what's the only other thing you would do? It says just explore the space station. Is there something to find?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a thing? Is it a
More
person?
weapons.
Another weapon?
Yeah.
Do you know what weapon it is?
Not got a clue. We have not played this in years. And
You know where the grind boots are. What if it's the grind boots?
Actually, that could be it, you know.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I was questioning it.
Because it makes sense for
Back at the blog.
on the war planet
It's all going on at the
for
blog.
that to be another info bot, and then what, have I got a taunter?
Getting past the Devastator would have to be another info bot. That would make sense. Have you
Do
got
I
the
have
taunter?
the taunter? Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Equipped it.
What does that do? Just piss people off?
Yeah. And then I'm like, what? There's an enemy! There's
So
an
it just
enemy!
lures them over.
Yeah.
Do you know where you're going for this
Yeah.
bit? Oh, you already know.
Yeah, we did a little bit of it before.
Don't remember what it is, but know exactly where it is.
Oh, fuck these froggy bastards.
It's ceiling Frogoos. Come back,
Wait.
Frogoos.
Wait.
That was my job. I totally forgot. I was going to name everything in this game. And I
Frogoos.
only managed Frogoos. And sand sharks.
Frogoos. The gooey frog.
They are, look. Watch when you hit them. They're all full of goo.
Sand shark.
Is that like a Pokemon style? Sand slash. With a lisp. Do you remember Croc? Did you ever play Croc? The platformer.
No.
He had a lisp like that. He'd say, K-splat! K-smash! K-splat!
I think this is a job for these guys. Get rid of most of them.
Tiny demons! Then the big-eared fella threw out a little ball full of evil people. Oh, was it up this way? Yeah, we did do a little bit of this, didn't we?
Yeah,
Because it was hell
killed
in
by
here.
gas.
But you were trying to do another mission, that's why you didn't finish doing it. Now.
What?
You have to do it earlier. Now. That's it, perfect. Go, 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 go. Health. Nice. Full health. Even better. Did you actually need to come up this way? Yes, you did. Swing that shot. Shoot this motherfucker. Or just wail on him.
Throw whaling on him. Bob Marley, this is how you become a whaler.
I just wanted to meet Bob.
Which one? Marley or Geldof?
Neither. De Niro.
Bob De Niro?
Yeah, Robert
Oh,
De Niro.
fuck.
We're close friends, I call him Bob. Look at this motherfucker. But he takes a few hits.
Grandy's taking.
When you release the other one, maybe use the gun or something, because you're gonna die. Throw out some minions now, then hit. Nice. And then just run like fuck. That's the style.
Oh, and they even killed some more Frogoos.
God, they're goopy. You could drink them. I plan to.
I'd
Just slice one of them open and then drink its fluids. Ooh, gooey.
Whoa, piss off, Frogoo.
Nature syrup. That's what blood is.
Human syrup.
The honey of the body.
You make it sound so magical.
Sounds better if you say honey of the soul, but that doesn't make sense. Sounds beautiful.
If you talk about your feet, then that's just sweat.
The honey of the soul. It's just like gross mucus that grows between your toes.
Ah, you dick.
Yo! Whoa! That put you way far back.
That put me way far back.
That put you right back at the beginning. That was stupid.
But we were actually quite close to the end, though.
She.
Right, the lesson there is...
How many bolts you got now, though?
In the 9,000s, I think.
So you're getting close to doing the other thing anyway.
Yeah.
So it was all worth it. Sometimes collecting bolts is a good thing. Sometimes you collect them for no reason at all and it's really tedious. But right now it's a good thing.
Yeah, fuck you, Frogoo.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Don't really went for your butt. They're so sloshy. That wasn't even why I named them Frogoos, but it's accurate.
The gooey frog.
Frogoo, the gooey frog. Wait, didn't we already do that joke? Totally did. When we named them Frogoos. Shit. This whole game needs a Pokedex.
Or Clackdex? I don't know.
Clankadex. Oh, but yeah, can't you go through this way?
I totally can.
Is this not the way you're supposed to go? You're totally going the wrong way anyway.
Alright.
So, that's just to block things, isn't it? Yeah, leave it like that, then it's not blocking anything. Perfect.
Boom!
Oh, this is just bonus shit.
With a Frogoo.
But it'll give you enough bolts to get the thing you need in the other world.
And ammo.
So this is worthwhile, regardless.
Ah, I nearly got 11,000.
Nice.
Pretty dope.
You don't need them. Don't die for that. You've got enough of the thing you need to do at the moment. Oh, just. No, yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
Wait, you don't even need it. Blah.
Oh, you fucking tricky bastard.
Get out of the boxes. Health. Nice.
Frogoo.
Oh, you can't go back and get that other health, can you? Unfortunately.
Yeah,
Oh, they're already free. You'll find more health here anyway, won't you? Ah ha.
Heh 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 heh.
Fuck those guys. How much damage does the mines do? Does that not do more than this?
Why didn't I just do that to the Frogoos?
You've got to use the mines. Oh, this just sucks them up because they're made of goo. Yes, this was definitely a better option. This is a cool weapon. And it is helpful that you also get to pick up all the bolts with it. And it just won't drop down from the ceiling. That's it, you're there. This is the last bit, isn't it?
Right, it was this
Just
guy.
gotta get past
who's
this guy.
Fucking dick.
Nice. There's a shop there as well. Can you get health from the shop?
Nope.
That's health there anyway. Toy! Gonna buy that gun for the
Yes.
funsies?
Got some great bargains for you today.
Boo-boo! This is just a rocket launcher.
Yes, but it's a fucking good one.
Is it devastating?
It is devastating.
Right.
What? Yeah.
I'd love ammo, I'd go for the Devastator. I want to see it in action.
Hiya, Fuzzball.
You maxed, you fine.
It's that one I need.
Yeah. That's enough. Don't waste all the ammo you just bought. Where the fuck did he come from? Yeah, one on the other side. They blend into the floor pretty well right now. There's ammo there. Do you need health?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
There it is.
And there is health.
Nice!
There's also shit on the upper floor, I think.
Hopefully there's another thing of health. There's green boxes. What are green boxes?
No, I think it's just a screen.
Ah.
Whoa!
Whoa.
What the fuck just happened?
No,
Oh,
shit.
shit.
It's just the light on the boxes makes it look green. And a gold bowl. Whoa, finish him off, finish him off. How many bolts do you have to get to unlock the other stuff?
I don't know. I've managed to collect all of them. But he looks very distressed there.
Because you get a certain amount of them, you unlock an upgraded version of a weapon you've already got, don't you?
I don't know.
It's just the same weapons, it's just a better version of it. I believe. I remember looking it up last time we talked about it. Why not devastate him? It's the perfect time to show off. That one last one was like, yeah, I'm coming for you. What don't you use? Get rid of the water thing or the...
I was getting rid of the fire thing, I don't use that.
Oh, okay. Oh, the flamethrower thing, yeah. Cool.
Cool.
You put it back on there. You've not got the mines on the quick chart as well. On quick
I don't
select.
really use the mine, so...
Oh. Fair play, you seem to have used those more than the fire thing. Devastating. Ah ha ha! Look at him, all devastated.
Oh,
Shit.
Whoa.
And you died via Frogoo. Use the suck cannon.
Actually, yeah, you're right, I should.
Oh wait, the big things are back. But use the... Yeah, suck them up, and then use the suck cannon to kill them.
I selected the wrong gun, but oh well. I got rid of half.
Suck up the frogs and then fire them at those fuckers. Can't suck them up, can you? They're too big.
Yeah. No, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Time to devastate you.
No, my general person. It hurts everywhere.
I'm just a simple human being.
I'm just a simple crab dinosaur. Alright, watch out for the Frogoos on the left this time.
Yeah.
They're the ones that tricked you.
Well, they're all
Shoot,
dead
you'll
now.
throw you
anyway.
in Ratchet. Throw you a spanner.
Not there. But there.
There we go. Nice. Well played with the running back. Tactical retreat. Oh.
Close but no cigar.
Yay.
Big cigar. Big cigar. All Cuban-like.
Fine smokables.
No, that's not what I asked you to... There we go. Yeah.
Throw him. Can you throw him that gap? Is that too far?
Yeah, that's a bit too far. But
Do you
I can devastate them.
Oh, true.
Or just bomb.
Nice.
I like the fact that he didn't move. He just stayed like, what was that?
Oh, is that not the mines? Oh, that's the thing I meant you used
Yeah.
more. I thought that was a mine. That's just bomb glove. Bomb glove basic.
Yeah.
One glove. Nice.
Is there anything? Oh no,
you
that's
finished
what
it.
we came
Double
from.
circle.
Whoa.
It's fucking green as shit.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
dear fucking sweet. My sweet Aunt Bessie, that's a big old fucking thing right there. Second boss, quick succession. This one's a bit easier, judging by how quick it's dying.
Oh,
Calling into the backup.
fuck.
Suck cannon.
Yeah.
Well played.
You will be sucked.
Suck on this. Well done. Get some help, get some help, get some help. It's coming at you. It's like fucking...
Shit.
It's like a xenomorph. It's got a little mouth in its mouth. You might as well get the other health as well. Just to be safe. That's it. Go straight backwards now. Ah, it would have been better if you did it before this happened.
No, there's only two of them.
Get the other health. Get the other health, get the other health, get the other health.
Where is it? Oh, there
some,
it is.
There's some more as well.
Oh, there it is.
Right.
Like,
It's
bomb.
in sort of a triangle shape.
Probably isn't needed.
That's it. Yeah, but you need it anyway.
I think he's dead.
You
He's
always,
dead.
you always need the extra health if you're building a full health meter. I wouldn't turn it down.
No, I don't think I need help.
Oh no,
Thank
maybe
you
that was
anyway.
it. That might have been the last of it.
Yeah, that was the last of it.
Shit. How much sure we got to go health?
The one that just opened.
Yeah, but which one just opened? That one.
That one, yeah.
They look exactly the same as the one you just came in for.
Oh, fuck off, frogs.
There's a squelchy when they land. Whoa!
I saved that guy's life. Did you see that?
He was just hiding around that corner.
You could come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer.
He is an inventor.
Create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, the Ola.
There you go.
Soon to be
Yeah,
patented.
That's the thing you needed. See, I knew what was
Get
up.
out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these at cost?
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount too.
2,000.
Oh,
just
fuck,
enough.
Thank fuck
Yeah.
you've got 2,000
Here
volts.
while I still can.
And he's just going to leave us on here. What a dick.
So now you can use probably a grind out of it,
Yeah.
so you can see how they work. But now you can do both of the other piles on that other world.
Yeah.
On Warland.
War. What is it good for? Creating a world, apparently.
Testing out new weapons and technologies.
And
Wow.
mutation.
This is pretty rad.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at you go.
What?
Such speed and grace.
Whoa.
This just looks like a lot of fun to me. What can I say?
Yeah. And that is this world complete.
Nice. It's get back in your little spaceship and fuck off to Warland.
Yeah, let's get ourselves blown up in Warland.
But we will go to Warland next time, because that fits in perfectly well to an episode.
Well,
so next time we can go, you know, do the grindy one first.
Yeah, I'll do the grindy first.
See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. This one's the worst guard because he's just asleep, watching Static on television.
How do you do?
It's his favourite show.
Static.